Yo, yo, yo. What up, what up? Okay, so same day as CXDC, I also traded this one, GHSI. So what I liked about this one was pre-market chart looks freaking baroque, you know what I mean? See this trend line, freaking higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, or lower high, higher low, resist, breakout, failed to hold, break down, broke trend, and now just like fades. But so right here I was like, all right, hey, let me see. I want to see a move to 170, 180, 190s type of thing. But since I was trading the other one, CXDC, it was a little weird trading both of them at the same time. So this one I ended up getting stopped out as well, but it wasn't as bad as CXDC because this one didn't halt, so it was more like calm type of trade. Okay, so let's get into it. So this one broke the level I was looking for, and as soon as this broke, I figured, all right, you know what, I'll scale into 150 and see what happens. And then at 160, then at 170. Then at this point, once that 170 failed, I added more on this little breakdown, and it ended up basically reclaiming back over. So from a risk management standpoint, I just exited my position right there and kind of let it do what it was supposed to do. But the funny thing was that with this one, I wasn't even in that much size here, but I just figured, you know what, I already got stopped out of the other one. I don't want this to balloon also, or maybe what if it would have halted, could have halted also. So instead I just kind of waited and to see what it was gonna do. Then I noticed it broke through 180s. It retested 195, but then it kind of just stalled there. Then it broke back down. As soon as it came back under that 172 line, I was like, yo, this is either reversal. It's kind of like it broke out but then failed, so now it's reversal. So I slammed some size here and then I added the rest here. So at this point I was in full size. And then basically I just kind of let it do its thing. I was looking for the break under 155. Once that broke, covered some at the 150s and waited for that retest. Broke, covered some at the lows. Then I got some in the low 140s, some in the 130s, and then I just took the rest off at 141 or something like that. But as you can see, it ended up going to 127, which was the 4-hour trend target. So that was kind of cool. But ended up staying there, and then I kind of came back for a little dabbled at the 140 over the 140 line, and then I just took it off in the 130s as it was potentially going to reclaim. But yeah, see, this one wasn't as bad as CXDC, but similar idea. Instead of adding these two orders here, I should have waited and added them up here instead. and then add the rest of my size somewhere in between here for a bigger move, bigger gain down. But I mean, yeah, it was. I just had to manage my risk here, but I was able to slam some size once I knew it was pretty much over with here. And I just kind of caught a good amount of this fade. But yeah, that was pretty much it for GSI. Not really too much going on here, but you get the gist of the idea. Follow my original plan and it'll all work out. Just gotta trust it. I just hadn't seen this setup in a while, so maybe that's kind of what threw me off. But yeah, definitely a good one though, overall, at the end of the day. But yeah, that's pretty much it for GSHI. Hit me up if you guys have any questions. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and if you want to join my Discord, the link is in my channel. So join the Discord if you're trying to see more of this in details. I'll give you a little heads up. But yeah, till next time, peace.